Hey everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make puzzles out of your own drawings. With winter fast approaching, I will give you ideas on winter-themed drawings that you can turn into your own puzzles. I will also be showing you 2 different ideas on how you can create the shapes of your puzzle pieces. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include a sheet of paper, a pencil, a ruler, scissors, and coloring tools. You can use whatever you have available, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. The first thing we want to do is our drawing. I'll be showing you a few different winter-themed drawings you can do, but you are also free to draw whatever you'd like. The first drawing I'll be showing you is of snowmen. I'll start by using my pencil to draw an outline. After that, I will go in with my markers to color it in. I'm starting off by drawing part of a circle in each corner of my paper. On top of those, I'll be drawing another part of the circle to act as the head of the snowman. Once I have those shapes down, I'm going to be adding in details such as the snowman's face and its buttons. As I continue, I'm going to be giving the snowman accessories. For this one, I'm giving it a top hat. I will also be drawing sticks as the snowman's hands. I'll be adding other accessories such as mittens or scarves, and once I'm done drawing, I'll move on to coloring it in with markers. When deciding the colors, you can go with whatever you'd like, or you can use mine as an example. After adding in most of my color, I'll be going in with a black marker to outline all of the details. Finally, when that's all done, I'm going in with a blue marker to draw in the background. The next drawing I will be showing you is of a winter scene with trees and snow. Following the same routine as before, I will be drawing in pencil first, then going in with markers to color it in. I started off by drawing a wavy line across the bottom of my paper to act as a snowbank. After that, I'm using my pencil to draw in trees without leaves, so I'll just be drawing the outline of the branches. I'll be drawing another one in the middle. Beside that, I decided to draw a pine tree. Feel free to play around with the kind of trees you draw. You can draw these and you can mix around the placement of them as well. I'll also be adding in a round moon behind the trees. Next, I'm going in with a marker to color my drawing just as I did before. For my bare trees, I'm just using a simple brown. As for my pine tree, I've decided to use different colors of green, starting with the darkest at the bottom. Next, I'm going in with another dark marker to draw in the shadow of the trees. I'm using a light blue marker to outline the snow and draw lines across it to give it some more color. Next, I'm using a dark blue marker to outline my moon and draw a few snowflakes in the background. Once that is done, again I'm going in with the blue marker to color in the background. With a pale yellow color, I'm coloring in my moon. And finally, I'm going in with my black marker to outline all of my shapes so that my drawing looks a lot cleaner. Now that we have our drawings, we can move on to creating our puzzle. I'll be showing you two different ideas for the shape of your puzzle pieces. Firstly, we want to flip our drawing over to the back side. This is the first simple idea. I'm using my pencil and I'm going to be drawing random shapes onto the back of my paper until the entire page is full. You can also do this without a pencil and go right into cutting out your shapes. The next idea will take a bit more time, but it will look like a more traditional puzzle. Using your pencil and a ruler, start off by making lines across the width and length of your paper as so. Then, you will be drawing half circle shapes on the side of these pieces to make it look like a traditional puzzle piece. You can go ahead and draw the shapes at random, but just make sure each side has one. Once you've finished drawing all of your lines, you can go ahead and cut out your puzzle. When you're done this step, make sure not to lose your pieces. When you're all done this next step, you're all ready to go ahead and play with your new puzzle. Alright, so that's all for today's craft. You can even repurpose old drawings and make puzzles out of those. I hope this craft keeps you busy during the winter months and that you have fun making them. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!